With the BMW ski and snowboard carrier mounted on the roof or railing carrier bars of your BMW, you can carry up to 5 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. To prepare the carrier system, open the lock in the ski and snowboard carrier. Push the button and open the carrier. Push the catch to loosen the holder and slide the holder outwards on the carrier base up to the stop. Identify the hexagonal side of the sliding block with the included special torque wrench and insert the sliding block with the hexagonal side up. Attach one sliding block by putting it through the opening in the carrier base from below before screwing it onto the block. Push the holder back on the carrier base up to the stop. Test the correct side of the nut again before inserting it. Take the grooved side of the rubber strip and pull it halfway up out of the holder. Make sure the holes for attaching the sliding block align. Attach the second sliding block like the first one. To mount the BMW ski and snowboard carrier, unlock the railing carrier and, if needed, remove the cover strip. Lift the carrier onto the roof by guiding the sliding blocks into the rail bar. Position the carrier so that the cover flap can still be operated. Tighten the nut on the outer sliding block with the special wrench until there is an audible click. Slide the holder outwards until the other fixing point is accessible and tighten the nut here as well. Push the rubber strip back into the holder and turn the hatch. Attach the other carrier in the same way. To load your skis or snowboards onto the carrier, slide both holders outwards. Put in your device, slide the holders back in, lock both catches to fix the holders and close the carriers firmly. You can lock the ski and snowboard carrier with the key. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.